All right, treat your family this Thanksgiving to a cinnamon pumpkin crumble filled with all the best flavors of fall. We got Heidi Van Valkenburg here to share with us how easy it is to be able to make these and turn frozen Rhodes cinnamon rolls into this over-the-top dessert.
Right?
Right? You know?
I know, it's the best. And so it's just really simple. We're using our Anytime cinnamon rolls. You can use the traditional ones that you can let rise and bake, or you can use the Anytime if you want.
What I love about this is that you just get this out of the box, right? You see it comes in this way from the beginning, and then it turns into this masterpiece that you've got over here.
Well, that's what we're going to teach you how to do, is to make the masterpiece.
And I hear it's really fast and easy to do.
It is really fast and easy. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you put the crumble that's going to go on the very top of this while I explain the next two stages.
This is the best part, okay?
This is the best part.
So what goes into the crumble here?
Okay, so we've got our butter, and then if you want to grab the brown sugar.
Okay.
And then
would it be bad if I didn't know which thing we were supposed to put in there?
It would be, and I
grab the brown sugar. You mean this, right?
No, no, but you did good. You're so far, I'm impressed that you knew the brown sugar.
Okay, so we have this. We got
the brown sugar, and then you're going to keep messing that, mix that in.
Okay, I can do that.
And then we have flour. We're going to add that.
Okay.
And then we have
oats.
Keep going. Oats.
Oh yeah, I got some work to do right here. Okay.
Okay, it's all good. And then we have the pecans.
And then, can you mess this up as far as the portions go, or can you really just kind of spot it?
On our website, on Rhodes Bake and Serve, it has all the portions to it.
Okay, all
right.
And
so, no, you will not mess that up. I'm going to move on. I have cinnamon nutmeg that is mixed together here.
Okay.
And I'm going to add this to our canned pumpkin. And a little bit of trick on this, you can use the pumpkin pie mix that already has those you know, cinnamon and nutmeg in there, but I like to buy just the regular canned pumpkin.
I don't think you can go too much nutmeg here for a fall treat, can you?
No, and you can smell it, and it smells like fall.
And everybody's like, oh, she's making something good in the kitchen, right? You get that smell, right? Okay.
So this one I did in a 9x13, and I used our traditional, and I let them rise. And so on that one, I used 8 of the traditional. If you want to use the 6 anytime, you can just do those in a 9x9 pan. Make sure you spray it.
Can I tell you, I'm feeling a lot of pressure to make sure this is good, to be able to make sure
you keep going because it's not.
The before, right, matches up with the after.
Yes. So these cinnamon rolls, one of the things you can do, you can just line them up in the bottom of this pan. I like to take them and clip them.
Just with a pair of scissors?
Just with a pair of scissors. And the reason I like the look of that better, and that is not on our website. This is just something I love to do.
Just personal preference.
Personal preference, but I think the end result is really good.
You just make them chunky. Chunky pieces. All right.
And so I have thawed these out, and it probably, well, the station's really cold, but usually about a half hour out on the counter, and they're ready to go, and you can just clip those. The next layer to this, you're doing good. Don't be distracted, keep going.
So last 30 seconds here, kind of what's the next step? We take
the next step, we're gonna put these in the bottom. We're gonna add the pumpkin mixture that I made, and then we're gonna put the crumble on top.
So it's kind of like a layered dessert.
It is.
I see, okay.
And then with the Anytime, you don't need to let it rise. You can just stick that down in your oven.
How long do you let it cook for?
350, and it's going to go about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the type of the pan that you use. Put a, you know, a toothpick in the middle of it to make sure, and then you can pull that out. And then the very end of this, the package comes with our cream cheese frosting. I like to drizzle that, and I like to drizzle caramel topping on the top of it. So I've got all of those. We're going to put this on top of it.
I like that we got everything all together right there. In fact, if you want to be able to get more ideas here from Rhodes and how to make this dessert, you got the website you see right there on your screen.
Rhodes Bake and Serve. You want to go there, and all kinds of fun ideas for all of the holidays that we've got coming up.
Well, Heidi, this looks fun. I wish we had time to finish the whole thing right here.
It's okay. I keep working. It's all good.
Right? We want to get the end result, and I'm sure you do too there at home. All right. Thank you much, Heidi.
You bet.